नमस्कार दोस्तों, नीट यूजी का रिजल्ट आ गया है. लेट्स डिस्कस आगे क्या करना चाहिए. एंड आई एम डॉक्टर रंजित, योर पैथोलॉजी फैकल्टी एट पीडब्ल्यू मेडेड. MBBS ज्वाइन करने के पहले देयर आर 5 very important things every student should remember, and we are going to discuss about each and every one of them in this video. Stay till the last for a very pleasant surprise to all the achievers of NEET UG. सबसे पहले कॉलेजेस की रिसर्च शुरू करो. अपने रैंक्स के बेसिस पे कॉलेजेस शॉर्टलिस्ट करो. गवर्नमेंट और डीम्ड और प्राइवेट सबके प्रोस कॉन्स देखो. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, लोकेशन. You want to be a day scholar or a hostelite, and the fees and the number of patients who come inside, because that determine the amazing doctor what you dreamt of in 11th and 12th standard in front of Alexa's class. Second most important things, कुछ important documents अभी से arrange कर लो. NEET UG scorecard, the 10th 12th mark sheet, domicile category certificate if you are applying for state counseling, caste certificate, ID proofs, and anything whatever MCC asks for a counseling. And please do it now. Don't wait till the last moment like you did for your NEET UG prep. Third most important thing, फेक इन्फॉर्मेशन से दूर रखो. सिर्फ रिलेवेंट सोर्सेस पे भरोसा रखो. फॉर योर कॉलेज रैंकिंग्स, फॉर योर कॉलेज फीस, फॉर योर कट ऑफ, फॉर द फर्स्ट काउंसलिंग, सेकंड काउंसलिंग, फॉर एवरीथिंग जस्ट MCC, NMC वेबसाइट्स एंड गवर्नमेंट वेबसाइट्स ओनली एंड नथिंग एल्स. एंड नेक्स्ट, मेंटली रेडी रहो, बिकॉज प्रोसेस बहुत लंबा है. काउंसलिंग सिर्फ एक दिन का काम है, but becoming a doctor is very long. And you must have remembered your parents say, study till 12th standard, life is settled. But life is just going to start here. And this is going to be a very beautiful life if you are mentally prepared. And last but not the least, counseling का process समझो. MCC के through online counseling होती है और state counseling होती है. Choice fillings, document verifications कैसा होता है. And for all these, we have made a very detailed guide and live sessions, especially for all the students sitting for the counseling in our Telegram group. And the link to the Telegram group is in the pinned comments. Join us and let's make sure this time you are not going to make any single mistake in choosing the seat of your choice and the dream college of your choice. And guys, these are just the 5 important things for the counseling. And there are 5,000 important things to learn in medical journey. And we as MedEd is going to welcome all of you, every single aspirant, to enjoy the journey of medical science. And welcome to MedEd.